Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades on a 2011 F-150. So I'm just going to stand up on the driver's side because I'm short like that. I can reach and pull this wiper blade up. Now, a simple thing as a tab right here. It's kind of hard to see. There it is, right there. Some tabs you push in. This particular tab, don't be afraid to push it out, and then slide it down the hook. Now, I'm going to show you that while you're getting the other wiper blade, or if you walk away from that vehicle, please take the arm and put it back on the glass. If you leave that up and that slaps down, you'll be left with more than a wiper blade change. So our new wiper blade, I got aftermarket, and I'm just going to show you how this style goes on. So if you have a style with a nice aerodynamic clip, you pull this tab out, it's locked in, put it into the hook, and then you bring this tab back down and it snaps. And you take off discard the protective coating on the blade, place it down. Now that's the same procedure on the other side. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.